5 simple weight loss tips that actually work wonders. Hello, my name is Oliver Robertson. I'm 46 years old and live in a small town near Stanford, California, together with my dear wife, Joan, and our beautiful daughter, Melanie. I've been a medical researcher for over 20 years at one of the most prestigious universities in the country, dedicating every single day to improving the health and longevity of the American people. I've conducted some of the biggest national studies that investigated treatments for diabetes and high blood pressure, and designed methods that greatly influence the quality of life in elderly diabetics. Now, as I near the end of my career, I want to share all the mountains of knowledge I've gathered all these years regarding hearing and how to take proper care of your ears. You see, being overweight or obese can lead to a range of health problems. Although many different, fad, diets are available, a balanced lifestyle and nutritious diet are the key to healthful living and better weight control. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, around 93.3 million adults in the United States had obesity in 2015-2016. This number is equivalent to 39.8% of the population. Nevertheless, I want you to know that people can lose weight and maintain this loss by taking several achievable steps. Here are 5 tips that can help you with this. 1. Do not skip breakfast. Skipping breakfast will not help you lose weight. You could miss out on essential nutrients and you may end up snacking more throughout the day because you feel hungry. 2. Keep a food and weight diary. Self-monitoring is a critical factor in successfully losing weight. People can use a paper diary, mobile app, or dedicated website to record every item of food that they consume each day. They can also measure their progress by recording their weight on a weekly basis. Those who can track their success in small increments and identify physical changes are much more likely to stick to a weight loss regimen. People can also keep track of their body mass index (BMI) using a BMI calculator. If you are interested, please click the link below the video. 3. Eat high-fiber foods. Foods containing lots of fiber can help keep you feeling full, which is perfect for losing weight. Fiber is only found in food from plants, such as fruit and veg, oats, whole grain bread, brown rice and pasta, and beans, peas and lentils. 4. Eliminate liquid calories. It is possible to consume hundreds of calories a day by drinking sugar-sweetened soda, tea, juice, or alcohol. These are known as empty calories because they provide extra energy content without offering any nutritional benefits. Unless a person is consuming a smoothie to replace a meal, they should aim to stick to water or unsweetened tea and coffee. Adding a splash of fresh lemon or orange to water can provide flavor. Avoid mistaking dehydration for hunger. An individual can often satisfy feelings of hunger between scheduled meal times with a drink of water. 5. Plan ahead. Stocking a kitchen with diet-friendly foods and creating structured meal plans will result in more significant weight loss. People looking to lose weight or keep it off should clear their kitchen of processed or junk foods and ensure that they have the ingredients on hand to make simple, healthful meals. Doing this can prevent quick, unplanned, and careless eating. Planning food choices before getting to social events or restaurants might also make the process easier. My lifetime vision is that of a world where everybody can easily manage their weight as simple as possible. That's why I've spent most of my research activity trying and testing various ways that could really make a positive impact on people's lives. And after many trials, I've perfected a simple, yet powerful formula, consisting of amazing vitamins and plants, such as corydalus, California poppy seeds, marshmallow root and prickly pear. I truly believe this formula is a work of art. That's why I couldn't keep this all to myself. So, together with the help of some friends who own a small supplement company, I've decided to produce it and make it available for everybody. I had just one non-negotiable request. The ingredients needed to be the real thing. Pure. Sourced from local growers that let plants naturally reach their full maturity and use no herbicides. 100% effective, prepared the right way and in the right amount in order to keep their properties intact. safe, processed under strict sterile standards with regularly disinfected equipments. After all my requirements were 100% met, we finally had the final product. I called it Night Slim Pro. If you are interested, please click the link below the video.